Hare Krishna, Hare Bol, everyone, is Ranaman here. I just want to let everybody know I'm going to be, once this fire still is burning in, excuse me, in Venom Valley. It's burning just in the south end. I had to look at the news today. So the fire is burning just in the south end of Saranagati Village, the south end of Venom Valley. And yes, I'm going to, so anyway, Shio Bhakti Buddha Padma was in Kelowna. I told him about the situation that's happening in Saranagi, and he said to me he should go up and help. So that's what I'm going to be doing. He's asking me to go up there, so I'm going to go up there. And definitely once the situation of fire calms down and it's completely out, and then it's safe, and that will, once safe to enter Saranagi, then I will go up there. I'll go up there and just help out. Yeah. So, so the fire still is burning just in the south end. The fire should be pretty much, out soon, because, it's, the conditions are, today, highs is supposed to be around 15 degrees there, so, it looks like that the fire should be pretty much out. Now, there's a picture of Saranagati. This is an old photo. It's not going to look like this now. You're going to see a lot of most of the brush around there is going to be burnt. It's going to be very interesting when I get let up there, up into Saranagi. I hope for the best for, that today, today Krishna blessed me that, that the weather's nice, the weather's raining. Right now I'm not in Saranagi, I'm in Kelowna, because nobody's allowed up there. Nobody's allowed in Saranagi right now because of the evacuation order. Well, once this lifts, then I'll go up there and I can do a video, kind of show around, like, what homes have been burnt, what homes have been survived by the fire, I guess. Anyway, Hare Krishna, Hare Bol to, all the voice from Saranagati. Anybody who lost their home, my heart's out there to everybody. It's a shame that there's some of these devotees there don't have insurance, but I hope that I'm gonna be talking to some of the devotees when I do go up to Saranagi. I'm gonna ask them, maybe we should do a GoFundMe, like basically like not a charity, but basically just to donate, like all the other devotees around the road, or anybody, they can donate some money to Saranagati Village, and then for these devotees to rebuild these homes. Now, Bala Krishna Prabhu, he's lost at Boone Farms there. He's lost his power station, like the turbine and all that for electricity. That's gone. His cabins, I believe, they're gone. He has about 4 cabins. I'll have to go up there and do a video myself just to show you guys like what's there. Like someplace, his house itself is still standing. So very, very, very fortunate about that. It's very interesting. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. Hare Krishna, Hare Bol. My prayers to everybody in Saranagati Village. Hope, I'm gonna come up there and help out, and just chant Hare Krishna, do as what my Gurudev told me, Shio Bhakti Buddha Dharma was, to go up there and help, and don't listen to my mind, just listen to Krishna and chant. Bring my beads up there, just chanting Hare Krishna, and just jai. I'm really glad that again, some parts of Saranagi is still, it's amazing. It's just Krishna, but look, any day if he wants to, clean everything else there, he can. Eventually we do get up there, it's gonna be interesting. Alright, Hare Krishna, Hare Bol.